Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pack RAR or ZIP files using app called RAR on your REALME C35. So in order to do that, we'll need to find the files that we want to pack, and mine are located in DCIM, camera, and there's a few pictures right here. Now select the files you want to pack. For me it's gonna be these 3 pictures, and press on this plus button right here. Now you can customize your RAR or ZIP file, so let's take extension to RAR. You can change it to ZIP or RAR 4.x. I'm gonna go with RAR. Change the name of the file, let's call it pictures. Set the password for the archive if you want. I'm gonna do it, and it's gonna be 1234. If you're not sure that you typed in correct password, press on the show password to see the full letters or numbers. You can also enable to encrypt file names if you want. So press OK when it's done. You can also delete the files after archiving or create solid archive. Now we can go to advanced options to change any of these options, and other options right here. Now go to comments to set any comment you want for the file, and I'm not gonna do any of that. Now press OK, and your pictures.rar will be packed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.